hips and booty. Let me find out this thing give me some booty and some hips in my outfits.
Bust down, Barbiana. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust down and pick that shit up.
Hey y'all, so I am back with another video, and if y'all wondering what's up with the hair, I got this hair. This is an old wig that I turned into a mullet shag wolf cut. I'm gonna have a video up soon with this hair and how I turned it into this. So yeah, what y'all came here for? I finally went ahead and bought the trendy, how can I say, the trendy booty shaper. Apparently it gives you a hips and booty. Let me find out this thing give me some booty and some hips in my outfits, and I'll be killing the motherfucking game.
Bumbo! Yes, Rasta, big belly. Yeah, man.
Killing the game, y'all. I'm so ready to try this on. I'm so ready to try this on, you guys. I have low-key been wanting to buy it since I saw it on TikTok. I never got around to buying it because y'all know my move and everything into my new apartment, and I haven't gotten to buy it. So also I did this, I am doing another year in Atlanta, so I'm gonna have another video up about what happened with that and not going to Florida. Here is it. Here's the package. So I got the shorts version, but this is how it looks, you guys. What size did I get? I got 3XL. But y'all see the hips on the side now. Y'all see this extra thick ass padding. I'm gonna try on a dress with this and some jeans so y'all can see what it's looking like. But this is what it looks like so far. You know what this look like? It looked like what the boys wear when they play sports, football. Look at the sides. This is supposed to be the hips. This is the hips. Now I don't see a booty part here, but I'm assuming this is supposed to curve into your booty. But we gonna see. I'm gonna try this on. I'm gonna try the dress on before, so y'all can see the before, and then we're gonna do it the after. I'm gonna put them side by side so you guys can see the difference. Okay, so this is the dress. First of all, I hate this dress. I bought this from Shein, but that's besides the point. But this is the dress. As y'all can see, no body, no nothing. This is strictly what the dress look like. I'm about to put the shaper on, and we're gonna see if it's gonna give me some curves. Cause right now, ain't gonna. Okay, so this is with me with it on. So first of all, I get already, yo, this is so funny, yo. Y'all hear this? Jesus. All right, I'm about to put the dress on, and it goes all the way up like the shaper. All right. Wow. It actually curved me out. What the fuck? You guys, it actually curved. I'm trying to pull it up more because it looked like it's down here instead of here. Because it should really be here. I'm trying to move it around. Y'all, this is the funniest shit ever. There we go. You got my booty moving. So this is the one that is strictly for the hips. It's not the one, I'm going to put the link in my bio. This is not the one that is for your butt. It's for the hips. And I low-key wanted this because I always wanted more hips than a fat ass. So, yeah. The foam thingies are movable. So, basically what I'm doing is moving it up as much as possible. And then, here we go. I will say this, that big give me a little curve. The back still ain't got no ass. But that's okay, because the front has that curve. Wow. I'm going to put it next to the other one, so you guys can see. See, it has some curve. I'm going to put the other one here. It has some curve. The other one does not. So y'all see this curve right here? I actually like this. Okay. I might wear this in a few of them. So I'm going to go put on some high-waisted pants and see if it does the same thing. Okay, so I got some jeans on. I'm going to put these jeans on. These are some high-waisted jeans. This is the pad, you guys. That bit is thick. Sheesh. It is thick. I just wish that it sat a little higher. Y'all, I think I might just get the other version. The one that's not like this, but it has a little booty. I might just do that. Okay, let me start talking about the pants on. Because I'm trying to see what that body do in the pants. Wow. Yo. This bit do give me hips. Wow. Like, it actually gives me fucking hips, y'all. I'm so shook right now. It don't give me no booty, which is fine. It's not fine, but hey, but it gave me hip. I'm gonna tell you that because I never have a hourglass like this. Just so y'all can really see. It literally gives me this. I never have this. I always have shirt, like straight. I'll never have ooh la la, like oh, like let's go. But yeah, you guys, this is like it really does do. It does give you a curve. I'm feeling this a lot. I should have got the actual booty one to see if the butt does anything, because I know for this, I'm trying to tell you guys, this does something. I'm gonna take this off and show it to you without it on, so y'all can see the difference. So y'all, I had to take a break and go tell my best friend about this because she was shook. Here it is now, you guys. I'm gonna put them right here, but this is the jeans with nothing. I have no hips whatsoever, completely. And you know, you guys, this, me and my best friend was like catfish all 2022, but it's like, it's just, I always wanted some hips. I never cared for a fat, juicy booty, which I still want one. But the fact that I can fill my pants up when I need to and I'm going out to a sexy event, it's like, yes. But like, you know, so yeah, no hips. No hips at all. But hey, I love my body regardless. But yeah, you guys, that is it. I think I'm going to buy the one that has the butt. But the issue with the one that has the butt, from what the other YouTubers are saying, is that the one with the butt, the pads move. With these, the pads did not move at all. I mean, I can move them up and down. It has a little panel here where you can move them up and down. But it didn't give me much problem. And if you're wearing jeans with this, it's not gonna move at all. If you're wearing a dress with this, it's gonna look great. Like y'all, like, this is a vibe. I'm not gonna even lie to y'all, this is a vibe. I don't think I can see myself wearing it all the time, but this is very much a vibe.